So say we have some sort of animation. We have a cube here. At frame 1 it starts, and then at frame 120 it's here. And we say, well, it's too long, we want animation to play faster. Oh, I didn't hit S, sorry. Stop. Which frame is it? Yeah, so let's say we have 2 keyframes and the animation is way too slow. We want to make it faster. So what do? We go to Graph Editor, and here we have all keyed things, elements. So here we have a couple of tools. So for this one, the best one would be to use this one. And you see here, I can just shrink it proportionally, and it works great. So now my animation happens in 120 frames. Now it's like 60 frames. Now it's like, whatever it is, 20 frames. If you want to be more precise, you can work with this one here, and you could, have more influence, more specific influence like this. So in this case, of course, doesn't make sense because we have just a set of keyframes here and here. But for more complicated stuff, maybe this one could be interesting as well.